Welcome back to Forensic Detailing channel. Today I'm going to go through a procedure on how to detail your indicator stalks. I'm going to bring you into the car. Okay, first up guys, we need to locate the indicator stalk, which I believe is this thing here. And then, as always, when we're detailing, we need to assess the level of kind of dirt and grime and then take the appropriate actions with the least aggressive cleaning method for that particular component. So here we go. Okay guys, thanks for tuning into the Forensics Detailing channel. For all your detailing needs, please subscribe and hit that bell button or whatever it is. Thanks for watching. Bye now.